Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is IoT based garbage management system using ARM7 LPC2148. So in this project I am using an ARM7 LPC2148 and 4 LED indicator empty, level 1, level 2, full. Those are connected with P0.18, 19, 20, 21, 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. So here we are using HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor. We are using distance measurement module to measure the distance of the dustbin, and we are using one GPS module. It is connected with UART0, and GPRS SIM 800L, it is connected with UART1. So let us coming into the hardware part. We will get the SMS alert like this, and you can open with the maps always, and it will show you on the Google Map location, so where the dustbin is full. Okay, so here ARM7 LPC2148 32-bit processor having a total 64 pin IC, port 0 and port 1. Port 0 consists of 0.0 to 0.31. Port 1 consists of P1.16 to P1.31. So here our dustbin LED, it is connected with P0.18, 19, 20, 21. Max 232 IC. UART0, it is connected with the GPS module. So 1.5 meter extension wire. So UART1, it is connected with the GSM modem. SIM 800L we are using. So here we are using Idea BSNL SIM card. You can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, any SIM card you can use. 16 cross 2 LCD display, bridge rectifier, filter, capacitor, 7805 regulator and 1 LED. Max 232 IC, UART1 and UART0. So 12 MHz crystal, and this is ISP button and this is reset button. If you want to dump the program onto the controller, use this USB driver and press ISP button and press and release the reset button. Then you can start with FlashMagic software. So this is our map. Okay, so this is FlashMagic software, and here is our programming code. Okay, garbage management system. Now I am going to start the power supply. So first we need to check the GPS location. Garbage management system 00 came, reset it. So here the red LED is on and off. If 00 came, reset it. Latitude value, longitude value. Garbage GPRS modem initialization, GPRS setting, GPRS start. So here the GPRS is start. Garbage monitor, bin empty. Now dustbin is empty. So we can monitoring on the here also we can monitor. So 95%. Okay, it is not updated. Now just now GPRS sent. Okay, yeah, 5% full, 95% empty. So now I am going to add some particles on this. Level 1. Okay, second time it will come, it will analyze for second time. Level 1, level 1, then GPRS monitor, level 1, GPRS will send. Okay, you can refresh it, it will come. Yeah, 35%, 65%. Okay, garbage bin level 2. Okay, garbage bin level 2. Okay, garbage bin level 2. Waiting for GPRS. Every 2 counts it will send the data, like that I programmed. Okay, GPRS sent 65% full and 35% empty. Okay, so now it is full. LED, all LEDs full. Garbage monitor, dustbin full. We will get the SMS alert in these two. After second count, it will send the data to server and it will send the SMS alert to predefined mobile number, which was stored on the microcontroller. So I stored to these two mobile numbers. They will get SMS alert. Yeah, so here 95% full, 5% empty. Yeah, it is sending the data. SMS sent. Yeah, I received SMS alert. Yeah, here also I received SMS alert. Okay, and here also I received SMS alert. Okay, you can open it. Open, then it will show you on the web page, on the maps. Yeah, here. Thanking you. Garbage management system using LPC2148. You can do with Arduino, Raspberry Pi, Node MCU, ESP32, any controller we can develop this project.